Hey everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Hub. Today we're diving into a cosmic question that might sound like science fiction but is rooted in some fascinating science. Can a planet actually turn into a star? Buckle up as we explore this stellar transformation. First things first, let's set the stage. Stars and planets are fundamentally different. Stars like our sun shine brightly because they fuse hydrogen into helium in their cores, releasing enormous amounts of energy. Planets, on the other hand, don't have this fusion process and just reflect the light of their parent star. Now, imagine a planet trying to become a star. In theory, for this to happen, a planet would need to gain enough mass to initiate nuclear fusion. But here's the catch. The process is far from simple. To become a star, a celestial body needs to reach a critical mass where the pressure and temperature in its core are high enough to start fusion. Brown dwarfs bridge the gap between the largest planets and the smallest stars. They're cool compared to stars and don't shine brightly, but they do emit infrared radiation. They're fascinating objects in their own right, showing that the line between planet and star isn't always so clear. So in essence, while a planet can't just turn into a star through natural processes, it could theoretically become a brown dwarf if it accumulates enough mass. But remember, this transformation isn't something we're likely to see anytime soon. It's a process that happens over incredibly long timescales and requires conditions that are rare in the universe. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey and want to explore more mind-bending science topics, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about the universe. Thanks for watching and keep looking up. Until next time, stay curious.